Hey, good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss the cable tie mode, cold runner or hot runner, how to choose. What is the advantage or disadvantage between these two types of the cable tie mode? I will bring these two cable ties for explain my ideas. This is the cable tie from the cold runner mode. You can see the runner, right? This is the cable tie for the hot runner mode. During the cable tie manufacturing, what is the best moment for us to discard the hot runners or cold runner mode for the cable tie? First, I think we need to solve the issue of the threads. The first things, second things, you need to fill fully of the cable tie cavities. I mean that you have already produced the complete sheet of the cable tie successfully, and then this is the good moment for you to consider whether you need to improve your productions by apply the hot runner mode. Okay, let us begin our issues. And at this moment, I think your guys already can produce the cable tie successfully. So I come to the topic directly to it. I saw the advantage and disadvantage between these two types of mode, hot runner and cold runners. This is the cold runner mode, and this is the hot runner mode. Now we are talking about the advantage when you change from the cold runner mode to the hot runner mode. What the benefit you will get on the productions. This is a runner, right? This is a runner, and here without a runner. Production of the cable tie manufacturing, you can crash it and use it again. But here, with this change, the recycle one will be reduced, right? For the hot runner mode, you don't have this runner, so the percentage of the recycle one will be reduced, right? It means that your percentage on the cable tie of the recycled one will be reduced directly to it. These are the first things. Easy to understand, right? Okay, second one. The melting point for the cold runner mode, the melting point is here, right? Here connect to the losses. So the melting point will move to this side, right? This is the side. The melting point is move forward and close to the gate of each cable tie. The pressures against the flowings of the melting practice will be reduced. Here you come to here from here. This part, the melting practice go through this part. He need the pressures. He need the injection pressures. Now the melting part is coming to here, right? Directly, he can feel the cavities of the cable tie. And the third one, because the nylon single 6 or nylon double 6, he's belong to the nylon, right? And the nylon, when in the melting stage, he is easy to flow, right? We have a very high fluidity. To again this fluidity, and we need a special design of the losses. Otherwise, the drawing will happen. The melting practice will come out from the losses. So when you apply from the hot runners, the injection point, he have the temperature control. And then with this temperature control, you will against the drawing, but you need to set in a good temperatures, right? That is the duty of the operators. For the cold runner mode, they don't have these features. So how the manufacturer will do to against this drawing issue, right? Actually, from the rosters, we will apply the spirit rosters. And when the melting practice come through here, it lead to push the spirits open and then go through into the runner of the mold. The force to push this spring open is around 5 to 10 kg, right? So if you apply from the hot runner mold, this 5 to 10 kg can be saved. Okay, this is the advantage when you're using the hot runner mold, right? The disadvantage is obviously as well cost, double or triple cost than the cold runner. Then you guys need to have an idea in your mind. For the hot runner mold, they need to adjust the mold temperature. I mean adjust the melting point temperature. That is the other elemental, right? So except the injection pressures and injection speeds, and the operator need to face one data more. So he should have better experience, or he should be more skillful, right? Otherwise he cannot take the full use of the hot runner modes. Okay, that is the weapon we can handle to you. You need to make a decisions according to your situation, right? According to your market. The qualities improve of the cable tie is obviously, right? And meanwhile, the stabilities of the manufacturers will be increased as well. Okay, now I make an expressions for the hot runner modes, right? For the hot runner mode, for the cable tie, for the hot runner modes. The melting points, sometimes we call 1 point or 2 point. Here is 2 point. This 1 point, this 1 point. The gauge of each cavity is very small, right? They don't have enough space to put the hot runner. So for the cable tie, we just keep 2 melting point or 2 gauges, 2 main gauge for the melting practice. So you can call this is semi hot runners. I hope I have explained this issue clear to you. And if you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your watching.